Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, I am going to show the updates. I have also said that entry form. Entry form, you said that separate form be made. So I made a new form from here. You can open the different forms related to entry. Look at this, and all form is working from here. Okay, I will show you some extra changes which I have done. First, I have done the all treated patients. Look at this. You said that when I click the test which he conducted also show with them. Okay, I click. Okay, this one is one test for this patient. So another click, it is another test for this, and this one has another. Okay. You said that if anyone want to cancel the report, yeah, or cancel the bill, so how it is also possible. Click here and click the delete button. Okay, it will delete the whole report of this patient. Okay, if you want to only delete the calculation, means tests, delete from here. If you want to complete entry, then click delete and click yes. Okay, no, here also show Hamad. Okay, only click refresh this. I Okay, delete. Okay, little want to refresh. Okay, click again, click. Okay, you see the record has been deleted. Okay, other thing, you said me that category wise report is not working. It is the simple way, only three character you enter and the report will shown. Okay, today I have not entered any of the category, but yesterday I have done. For example, I click 9 February. Okay, when I click here and click category wise test report, I'm clicking here. Okay, so show and enter test category name. For example, profile, only four character enter, it will show the whole report of category name profile. Every category you can enter here and will show all the profile information or category information. Okay, I will show you the test wise report. It is also same as I shown. Okay, if I click for culture for body test, for example, I click and test wise report and culture wise only write 3 to 4 character. Okay, culture wise. Okay, let me check culture wise report. Culture for body, sorry, culture for body. And also you can check this one, for example, CT, any one. Okay, click CT, click here and only write CT, click. Look at this one is CT test name, from 9 to 10 duration this time. Remaining will also total mail, it will show total mail. Okay, two reports with all with two, both are male. If anyone you click here and change to female, for example, this one is female, and name also you can change only for testing purpose. Okay, I'm click here, it will show one because one is male and another is a female. Okay, if you want to check from female, look at this total female, click here and you will show this is a female. Okay, I change the female. Okay, another thing, total patient treated, there are two patient treated. Okay, it will show two patient treated. This one is a two patient treated. It will treated on 9 February. Okay, you can everywhere enter the date and first date and last date and show the report. It is the easiest way. If you want to another means combo, it is a long process, so it's not important. Only write three characters, it will show a whole reports. So no need to change this because it's a long process. Again, I will create a more reports, more combo box, and also make a long process of codes. So I make the simple only. You want to show the report, click three character. If want to category was only enter three character of category, only three character of test, anything वगैरह वगैरह etc. Okay, I have made this change. Okay, you seen. After that you said me that make a separate form. Okay, I also make a separate form entry. Okay, you can see here. Okay, test patient here. Click here, click here, and you can see from there everything is going right. Okay, you also said me that profile test only show the profile result. If you see here only Kabir is the only profile. Look at this category name is profile, other test is not showing. If I click profile, it is the only profile entry. If I entry a new form, okay, patient, I'm clicking here, patient name Sajid, okay, male, age this one, and address this one, and contact this one, and this one is a doctor. Okay, paid. Okay, I'm here culture wise test. Okay, this one culture, enter, enter. This test only show me in culture, not to show me in profile. Look at this. I'm what name? Sajid. Sajid will not show me in a what name I said well only show in culture, not in a profile. Okay, look at this here Sajid. Oh, look at this here, Sajid is not present here because he relating to the culture. If I go to culture, it will automatically show me the Sajid etc. Anyone who belongs to culture will show here. Look at this, Sajid is here, Hamid is also here, and Sajid is also here. Okay, so this one is for culture separate from only separate showing. Okay, I also enter something else. It's a lab entry form. Okay, it will also show. For result, I have done some important thing which you can check here. For example, Kabir, if you result is one, you said me result. I if anyone have forgot to enter, but it will show the information. Result value must be select normal or abnormal. So it gave you alert that you must select normal abnormal. So how it is possible to forget? So I also simplest way solve this problem. Okay, normal. If other thing, it will automatically show the message. Another thing, in another way, I also enter it maybe profile. Yes, I also enter here it profile. Okay, when I click profile, so to enter, it will again show the message that select the normal or abnormal. Okay, other way, you said me that when this one is greater than less than bold etc. It is not possible because the first value is 80-88. The code only target the first value, the second value is not targeting, so it is not possible to solve it in your way. So I solve this in this parameters that will show you in advance, tell you that you must select the entry. So I have also solved this problem. Okay, another you have said me that maybe I have done everything. So entry form, I selected all the thing is very easily. So patient comment is also clear. Yes, you said me that enter the combo box which you can search from here. So I have also entered the combo. So from here you can easily search. Okay, I also enter okay, patient testing. You said me that here you can select the category. Now here it is only search at a time one things. So when you enter the test means it it only search the test name. If you give on the category, it also a test only showing in a category. So it is a search form very easily when you enter the test name, it easily search. For example, CT, on one click, only one character, it search whole test for you. So no need again to show the both on category and test. So I have already do everything right away, so no problem. If you have anything, I will solve this, but it is all clear and everything is going right. So from my opinion, so final this, I will be very thankful. Another thing, that if you want to change the whole profile, for example, the software solution, so click here. I will give you this passwords and username. Okay, yes, give the password. It's for your security, because when you give on this software, he will not able to change the name. So I click here this username, and this is the password of this. Okay, and I'm clicking. So okay, no. So only for name of company, how to change. So I again enter the password. Okay, so let's see this. I double click here, it will open this ehda. So if I change to ehda to um, for example, company of software, for example. Okay, click here, click here. Okay, so I'm later go for log off. Again when I enter, so look at this, company of software solution. So it will automatically change. So I again giving password. So all the entry form of this will automatically change. Click here, and when I see here, click and Sajid, click here and want to check the name. F5, look at this, company of software solution about information. So it changed from here easily. So I gave you all the passwords when you complete and finish this. So if you again change this, click and give the password, and double click on this, and again change this. For example, ihda, ihda, maybe ihda. Okay, yes, click. Okay, thank you.